Okay, so hello everybody. So this is just a little backup. I'm playing late tonight. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning, my time, Eastern Standard Time. I actually just finished the game, and I got obviously a CC4 crate. I also got a pink Homburg, which is pretty cool. So just in case I get something really good, I just wanted to um, have it recorded. So, say hello to this is Kevin down here in the bottom corner. So everybody say hello to Kevin. Kevin, say hello. Hi. Hello. Okay. All right. Sorry. Back to the thing. Let's open it. See what we get. And we will get. Oh yes! Oh my God! They look so sexy. What? Oh my God. Are you for real right now? Bro. Uh, so yes, please. And thank you. So, Kevin, good luck, Kevin. Um, yeah. So that just happened. Just didn't want to wake everybody up in the house. So yeah, there we go. We got some, I believe they're orange zombas. Which are going on the, oh my God. Bro. Those are amazing. Well, guess this is going on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye.